Come with me to pick up my girlfriend from her last day of work. I always feel so awkward chilling at red lights with this camera on my head. Other people are staring at me. She gets off of work at 3 o'clock. It is currently 2:35 right now. She doesn't work that far away, but I ordered her Starbucks just to celebrate her leaving that ghetto-ass job. Yeah, anytime that I'm not working or I'm free, I gotta take her to work. And God, I fucking hate it. Like, I really don't mind taking her to work. That's not the problem. It's the drive. They recently closed one of the streets that made it a lot easier. You guys are gonna see the detour right now, but now I have to take this other route. And there's so many potholes, bro. It's so annoying. But her job is like low-key ghetto. She works at like this clothing store. And there's so much shit that happens there. You got like homeless people that'll pull up. People are crazy, man. Yeah, see, this lane is closed for only God knows why. I guess there's only one lane up front. Yeah, people robbed from her fucking store. I'm glad she's finally over it. I gotta be quick though. I low-key only got like 20 minutes. Luckily, the Starbucks is right next to her job, so it's not too bad. But see, like this light takes fucking forever. Before, it wasn't really a problem. She used to drive herself all the time. But the parking garage, or not, it's not even a garage, just a parking lot right in the front. It's so fucking tiny. Like, it's so small, and sometimes they're not allowed to park there. Like, if it's really busy, you can't park there. So then she's forced to park on the street. And obviously she doesn't like parking on the street. But yeah, she parked in the little parking lot, and I guess some big ass truck like swung their door open and it hit her car and put a dent. And she also popped her tire driving to work too. I had to come replace her tire, and she had an old ass spare that barely made it. Saying the Starbucks is ready, guys. I got a total 18 minutes before she gets here, or before she gets off. Pothole right there. Gotta dodge it all crazy. Overall, people just drive stupid on this side of the valley. It's annoying. There's just a random car with cones right here. No hazards. Smoking a cigarette. Okay, we're really close to the Starbucks. Think we're gonna make it. Last thing I want is to be late and then get my ass yelled at. It's not very pleasant. What the fuck is this car doing? Holy shit. That's a prime example, you guys. Jesus Christ. Okay, we made it to the Starbucks. I will be back with the drinks. And just like that, drinks have been acquired. Holders for the Integras really aren't that bad. I've seen like the S2000 cup holder. I understand why people don't like that one. It gets right in the way of the shifter. This one, if I had like a double din radio, then it'd be kind of annoying, but these drinks are pretty small. I got a solid 10 minutes and I'm gonna be there in like 3. Let's go. I really can't believe that dude almost hit me. Usually when people make a left like that, they're going into the middle lane, but bro just straight tried to cut in front of me. That was fucking insane. Boom, we made it. Now we're a little early, which is a good thing. It's better to be early than to be late. I will pick up the camera when she gets here.
The Milkshake Monday Guy, Bread Basket, Jimmy Darts, Zacharific, and Harry Mack.
Get this off my chest, bro.
If you drive
Number 2.
And there she is.
That was so... Hello?
Say hi to the chat. Got me waiting an extra 9 minutes.
I had to say bye to everybody.
Mm-hmm.
I had to say bye to the cats.
You had to say bye to the cats. Okay, guys, that's gonna wrap up this video.
You got... Wait, can I...
What?
I need to take a picture of you.
Nah, you can take nothing.
No, wait, but look this way.
Ha ha ha.
You got my drink?
Yeah, I got her drink.
Yeah.
Got her drink. What the fuck? Okay, guys. That's gonna wrap up this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.